everybody, it's Mag from the Rainforest Exhibit and Punk Your Chucks, and this vlog is about our newest sponsor, which is a company that I wrote because I really like their products and also the way that they acquire their products. They sell cocoa fibers and substrates and orchid bark, sphagnum moss, and they do it in a very conscientious way. Sustainability, keyword. And but they really do. When they take it out of the forest, they're very careful. They have a place where they do it, and they always only take enough to where it can replenish itself, and then they keep building on that. So that's a very quick explanation, but I'm going to have the links to their website. You can go check it out in more detail. But anyways, the owner Jeff gave me a call, great guy. We had a talk, and he sent me some samples so I can look at, and I haven't even opened the box, nor the bottom, and to see what I like, and then we're going to go from here and see what I could use, and then they're going to send me stuff for the Rainforest exhibit, and that's that. But anyway, also I might be putting some of their stuff together, and we might even do a giveaway. I haven't decided yet. I'll talk to them about it. I don't want them to send me products for the Rainforest exhibit, and then I'm taking some and putting away and giving away. So I'll discuss it with them, but we'll talk about it. But I think that the more people know about them, the more people will be using their products instead of some of the stuff that's out there right now. Anyway, here we go. So, whoop. Hopefully there won't be any mishaps with this razor. Or, well, for you guys, maybe you want to see it. All right, here we go. Oh, it's packing it there. All right, here we go. Look at this. All right. So here's the company's information. We'll put that aside. Oh, they sent me some literature about their products. Sphagnum moss. Read that. Cool. Here, even more. Let's say tree fern reptile panels. Ooh, I like that. There's the sizes it comes in. I'm not talking because you can read it. Commercial size, retails. What's this? Oh, more of the sphagnum moss. Oh, I can't wait to use this stuff, actually. I've actually seen the packaging on some YouTube channels, actually. Okay, sphagnum brand, New Zealand sphagnum moss, cleanest, softest moss on the market, making a joy to work with. Natural antibacterial properties to a healthy environment. Hold 2 times the weight in water. That I know. Cool. All right, so here's the. Okay, now we were talking about this. That this is the orchid bark, and it comes in different grains. So he sent me a sample of different grains to see because I want to do something with this. I'll explain later. I don't know if I'll do it in this vlog. I might do it in another one, probably when I start using it. But he sent me these because it's something specifically we discussed to see how I like it, and I like it. Orchiata. Right, that's the fine grain. It's a little thicker chunks. A little bit bigger. What, half, 3/4 of an inch around there. Smaller, 1/2 inch. I think it's the same thing. Oh, no. This, oh, okay. This is, it's the powder we won there, which is 1/8 inch to 1/4. Then the 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Yeah, they're much smaller. Then the 1/2 to 3/4 inch, a little bit bigger. Let me put this in order. Then, oh, they sent me 2 of this. Oh, is that the same? Yeah, I think so. Huh, how come it looks different? Orchiana, orchid substrate. No, it's just say Cloud Precision. Oh, okay. Maybe this is a little more fine powdery. Oh, no, wait. What? Hold on a minute. 3/8 to 1/2. Oh, yeah. So these are just, all these are just different sizes and mixtures. Some are really fine, some are thicker. Oh, this is a super fine. That one that said, okay, I see it. The one that said 1/8, this one. This is what confused me. The one that says 1/8 to 1/2, this is 1/8 to 1/4. So you're really specific. If you really want it really fine, then you would use this instead of this because there's bigger chunks in it. All right, so that would go there. That would go there. And then I guess this is the biggest one they have. And there's 3/4 to 1 inch, which most of us have seen orchid bark that was like this. But this is supposed to be denser. Now here's some samples of the sphagnum moss, ultimate water retention. Look at that. Me. This thing probably goes when you add water to it. So that's cool. We're definitely going to be using a lot of that. I know this is just a sample pack. They come in real large packs. I don't know. Maybe they sell them. Yeah, they do. Actually, I think they sell them. There's some more. Product of New Zealand. Hobbit moss! There's more. Here's their car. There he is. Jeff Saul. Pre-mortgage growing substrate from New Zealand. Jeff, thanks, buddy. There's more tree fern. Oh, and here's the cocoa panels. He sent me a sample of this. They come in different sizes, but this is, you get the idea. This can be silicone to the back of the wall, or you can actually, you know what I'm going to try to do? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to try to do. I'm wondering that if I wet this, if I can bend it into, I know I shouldn't say this right now, because what if I can't? But that's what, I might edit this out. We'll see. But if you can wet this and then bend it, and if you bent it, then siliconed it on, siliconed it? Yeah. Put silicone on the back and put it on like a mold or some kind of, foam, like I have on the Rainforest Exhibit, that it would hold that wet shape once it dried, and you can actually use it to, like on a bend or something. Well, I'm going to give that a shot. So hopefully I won't ruin this. Anyways, we got 2 to mess with on this. So.